We've fully integrated the Youth Sport Trust top PE resource into Complete PE. And the resource is a brilliant tool to access to provide you with additional ideas under the following different areas of learning to support your teaching further, to give you different ideas. But what we've done to make this even more purposeful and useful, we hope, is that we've actually integrated the full resource into the different units of work on Complete PE, as and when we felt that those resources are going to provide brilliant additional activities to supplement the teaching of the units of work that you're delivering. But just to return to the homepage for a second, so the full resource in its entirety, if you are using this as a school, can be found on the homepage. And if I then click into any of these different sections, the full list of the different top PE resource cards that are available to me can be found. I simply click on the card and it will then load up. You could print it, download it, and then obviously use this card to support your teaching further. But the other way to access the top PE resource cards is that they are integrated into the planning, as I've already mentioned. So as and when within a unit of work that we feel that a card will really supplement what you're doing, you can simply again click the link. The card will then appear, and once again you're able to either use this just to supplement your planning, you could print them off, you could give them to the pupils, however you want to utilise them really. You can do so in order to add additional content, I guess, to the delivery of your physical education unit.